Welcome back to your safe place. Let's have a little heart-to-heart chat, all right? Have you ever found yourself in the depths of heartbreak, wondering if there's a way to mend your shattered soul? I've been there too, my friend. It's that feeling of hopelessness, the nagging question of whether you'll ever be whole again. It can feel like a never-ending abyss of pain, confusion, and all-around ickiness. I know all too well the deep ache, and it ain't no walk in the park. Right now, you might be feeling a whole mix of emotions: sadness, anger, confusion, probably flooded with questions like, what went wrong, or will I ever find love again? It's like being stuck in a maze with no clear way out. You are constantly replaying memories, am I right? Analyzing every word and action, desperately searching for answers that may never come. The pain can feel suffocating, as if a piece of your heart has been ripped away. It's hard to see beyond the tears and the heaviness in your chest. I know it exactly. So, we're in this together. You are not alone. Countless people have been through the same stormy sea of emotions and have come out stronger. And that's exactly why I'm here with you today, to lend a helping hand and share some practical steps to guide you towards healing and moving forward. And I can't wait to share them with you. Oh, before I forget, have I mentioned our little gift? We've put together a fabulous guidebook jam-packed with practical steps to embrace the new you. And the best part, it's absolutely free. You can find the download link in the video description, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity to reclaim your happiness. Hearing the same old cliché about pain fading and emerging stronger can be incredibly frustrating. It's like everyone expects you to magically bounce back without telling you how to actually do it. I'm here to break the cycle and give you the how. First of all, it's crucial. Allow yourself to grieve. You are ranging from deep sadness to anger and confusion. It's essential to acknowledge and process these emotions rather than trying to suppress or ignore them. Give yourself permission to feel the pain, sadness, and loss that accompanies a breakup. It's natural to experience a sense of emptiness or longing for what once was. Allow yourself to cry if you feel the need, as it can be a cathartic release of pent-up emotions. Talking to a trusted friend who can provide a listening ear and support can offer comfort. Or writing a journal can also be a valuable tool. It allows you to gain clarity and release any built-up tension. Now, let me share with you something that made a significant difference in my own healing journey. It may sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Cutting off all contact with my ex. When I say all contact, I mean I didn't waste a second in removing him from all my social media platforms and completely disconnecting from any sources of information about him. It was a decisive move, and let me tell you, it turned out to be the best decision I could have made during that time. It's psychologically important to establish clear boundaries with your ex to create emotional distance and facilitate your own personal growth and recovery. Continuing to interact with your ex can prolong the healing process. By setting boundaries, you are asserting your own needs and prioritizing your well-being. Which is our next step. You have to focus on yourself without the distractions and potential emotional triggers. It's a personal process, and you have the right to protect your emotional well-being. Now it's time to prioritize yourself, ensuring you get enough restful sleep, nourishing your body. Treat yourself to a meal at your favorite restaurant. And by favorite, I mean yours, not the one you used to go to with your ex. And you know what? One of the absolute best things you can do right now is to dive into something new, or give a little extra attention to something you've been neglecting lately. If you haven't started working out yet, give it a go. And if you're already hitting the gym, why not set a fresh goal for yourself? Having a specific target can be so motivating and keep you moving forward. Oh, and let's not forget the power of sports in keeping your mind off your ex and the past. It's an awesome distraction. Okay, I've saved the juiciest nugget of wisdom for the grand finale. Challenge those negative thoughts with the mind flip method. Give them a reality check. Okay, I know how tough it can be, but promise me you'll try. When you catch yourself thinking, I'll never find love again, hold up. Let's challenge that thought together. It's all about finding a more realistic and positive perspective. Start by asking yourself, is this thought based on actual evidence? Reflect on past experiences when you've overcome challenging situations. Those moments are proof that love is indeed out there for you. Now, here comes the fun part. You have to replace those negative thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of dwelling on the idea that the breakup means you're destined for eternal singledom, let's reframe it. See it as an opportunity for personal growth and a chance to attract a more fulfilling relationship in the future. Affirmations are your secret weapon here. Repeat positive statements like, I am deserving of love and happiness, or I am capable of healing and moving forward. Trust me, these little pep talks to yourself can work wonders in reshaping your mindset. So, here we are. I really hope that these magical steps will help you rise like a phoenix from the ashes of heartbreak. Let me know if they rock your world. If they don't quite hit the mark, no worries. There are many similar contents waiting for you on the channel. Make sure to check out this stone-setting video. It's a gem. How to make someone fall in love with you.